Welcome back. Well, Just Dial stock has corrected about 25%. So what's going on there? Ramkumar Krishnamachari, CFO of Just Dial, now joins in. Mr. Machari, hi. Good morning. The belief in the market is that maybe the company needs some new, revenue drivers. So tell us more about the Search Plus, because that's, I believe, one of the new innovations from the company. How much can it contribute to financials in FY15 and 16?
As far as the revenue potential is concerned, most of these will be live in various stages. Monetization should start for some of these in Q3, Q4, but then meaningful contribution to revenue should happen from 15-16 onwards. We maintain that this year we would, our endeavor is to make sure that we popularize the Search Plus among the user community. We have as many vendors sign up for these services. And then, once you see the user traffic, monetization will follow. The vendors will also realize that they can grow their business, they can increase their geographic reach, they can increase their customer base, and through our platform on the Search Plus. So, and on the reverse auction, to be specific, it will enable the user to discover best price at given point of time in a very non-intrusive manner. Even if you were to be standing in a shop and wanting to buy a television set, you may want to discover the best price at that point of time.
So Mr. Machari, what kind of ad spend would be required to popularize these products in terms of overall ad spend and marketing spend?
So, as we mentioned earlier in the Q3 conference call, that we are allocating about 60 to 90 crore for the spend. That will include about 40 to 50 crore of 60 crore of one-time spend, which we will do, because you have to realize that this is the first time we are introducing the Search Plus among the wider user community. So far, whatever good traction in the users usage that we are getting on Search Plus, it's all people are discovering themselves that they can do many things like order food, reserve a table, or order grocery, or schedule a doctor's appointment. They are discovering on their own and doing things, but then we haven't really gone to the wider user. So we will be doing that late this quarter or Q2 onwards. Our ad spend will start on the Search Plus, but I want to underline that this entire budget, there will be a big one-time component. After that, it will be a normal ad spend that we normally do, which is about around 5% of the revenue. So we believe that that will be sufficient for us to sort of, from a traffic perspective.
Okay. What would the expectation then be on margins in FY15? On one hand, for example, the company is increasing investments, but there is obviously higher usage of internet and mobile taking place as well.
So if you were to exclude the one-time spend, margin definitely will improve. As we mentioned earlier, more and more traffic is getting on internet today. We have a high fixed cost base. Margins will continue to expand given the operating leverage inherent in the business model. Having said that, we are continuing to invest in both sales and technology infrastructure. On a like-to-like basis, margins will continue to improve FY 15-16 on 14-15. But then, this one-time spend is going to be there. If you were to exclude that, definitely margins will continue to improve.
Okay, then staying with the margins, how much do you think margins can improve?
I would say that we maintain that the 150 basis point on an average we mentioned, we should be able to see that kind of improvement, consistent with what we have done or what we would, what we see in the, what we reiterated earlier as well.
I believe Just Dial sees about 40 to 45% attrition in paid listings. So to ensure sustainable revenue growth of 30%, the company would have to grow its listing base by at least 75%, and plus your base is also growing up. So is the 30% revenue growth sustainable?
Look, we don't give guidance, but having the action that we have taken in Q3 as well as the initiatives that we have done on the ground, we believe, we are confident of good growth for 14-15. We have the initiatives that we have taken on the ground, plus the fact that the ecosystem is helping us with more and more people getting onto the internet through the mobile platform, smartphone getting cheaper. So the more the internet activity, the more people discover that they can do many things. It's better for us from a monetization perspective, and also given the trend that we are seeing in our business, we are quite confident as far as the revenue growth is concerned, and we have never been excited as much as we are today about the prospects of our business, both on the core business, the growth we should be able to deliver, as well as on the Search Plus.
Okay, sir, you have around 600 crores of cash on books, and you're saying around, say, approximately 60 to 90 crores will go into marketing spend. What would be the plan for the remaining part of the cash?
Look, definitely we're not a company which will make, we have not made any acquisition or anything, so the inorganic strategy is something which normally we don't pursue. Definitely there's an option for us to return some cash in form of dividend. What it will be, how much, what quantum is something which the board will decide in due course.
And is that the plan, return cash in the form of dividend in FY15?
No, returning cash in form of dividend, that's what I meant. So definitely there are possibilities, but too premature for me to say at this point of time. Yes, the possibility exists.
All right, Mr. Krishnamachari, thanks a lot for your time. That's Just Dial, the stock which has lost 25% of its market cap from peak, up about 4% in today's trade. But rice stocks are also in focus. Export of rice has clocked about 9.9 million tons.